Alright, here's my strategy survival tea kettle soup thing. Basically, I'm gonna cook this pack of ramen, Maruchan specifically, in this goddamn teapot. And we got onions and carrots. Just for the record, usually I like rinse this off to get the starch off, but whatever. So, no way this isn't gonna work. Here we go over to the sink, add some water. Make sure you put the top on so it doesn't take forever, top to keep the heat in. All right, here we go at the flavor packet. Mix it in there. Da, 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 da. You're not serious about ready to eat. Ready to eat. Right, come on.